Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to be discussing the pros and cons of buying vs building a house. This is the first part of the series. We will discuss about the pros and cons of building a house, and in the next part we will discuss about the pros and cons of buying a house. Pros of building a house. Customization. When you build a house, you have the freedom to customize it to your exact specifications. You can choose everything from the floor plan to the finishes and make it your dream home. Energy efficiency. New homes are typically more energy efficient than older homes, which means you'll save money on utility bills in the long run. Plus, you can incorporate green features like solar panels and smart home technology into your design. Warranty. A newly built home comes with a warranty that covers any structural defects or issues that arise during the first few years of ownership. This provides peace of mind and protects your investment. Cons of building a house. Cost. Building a new home can be more expensive than buying an existing one, especially if you want custom features or high-end finishes. You'll also need to factor in the cost of the land, permits, and other expenses. Time. Building a house takes time, often several months or even a year or more. If you're on a tight timeline or need to move quickly, building may not be the best option. Uncertainty. When you build a house, there's always the possibility of unexpected delays, issues with contractors, or other unforeseen challenges that can cause stress and frustration.
That is it for today's video. Subscribe with post notifications on to get notified for the second part of the series.